Imagine a time before fire when the world was cloaked in darkness. Early humans lived in a dark and challenging world where every day was a test of endurance. The sun was their only source of warmth and light, a brief respite from the cold. The long nights were cold and dangerous, filled with unseen threats lurking in the shadows. Food was eaten raw, often difficult to chew and digest, making every meal a challenge. The threat of predators was constant in the darkness, forcing early humans to be ever vigilant. Life was a daily struggle for survival, with every moment demanding strength and resilience. Early humans knew about fire. They saw it in the natural world. Lightning ignited forest fires. Volcanoes erupted with molten lava. These events were frightening, but they also showed fire's power. Fire brought both danger and opportunity. Humans began to understand this. Learning to control fire was a turning point for humanity. It marked the beginning of a new era where humans could cook food, stay warm, and protect themselves from predators. This monumental achievement set the stage for future advancements. It was a long process spanning thousands of years. Early humans observed natural fires caused by lightning strikes and wildfires, learning from these natural phenomena. Early humans likely captured embers from natural fires. They carefully transported these embers to their campsites, ensuring they had a reliable source of heat and light. They used them to start their own fires, which allowed them to cook food and ward off dangerous animals. This newfound ability significantly improved their chances of survival. Over time, they learned to make fire on their own. Experimentation led to the discovery of various fire-starting techniques. They discovered friction could create heat. By rubbing sticks together, they generated enough heat to produce a flame. Rubbing sticks together generated enough heat to ignite tinder. This method became a reliable way to start fires. Striking stones together created sparks that could start a fire. This technique, along with friction, became essential skills for early humans, paving the way for future innovations. Fire transformed human life in ways that are both profound and far-reaching. From the moment ancient humans first harnessed its power, fire became an essential part of their existence. It provided warmth, allowing humans to survive in colder climates. The ability to create and control fire meant that humans could venture into and thrive in environments that would otherwise be inhospitable. Fire improved their diet by enabling them to cook food. Cooked food was easier to digest and safer to eat, reducing the risk of disease and foodborne illnesses. This not only improved overall health, but also allowed for a more varied and nutritious diet. Fire provided protection from predators. The light and heat from the flames kept wild animals at bay, creating a safer environment for humans to live and sleep. The flames kept wild animals at bay. Fire changed tool-making. It allowed humans to manipulate materials in new ways, leading to the creation of more effective tools and weapons. Humans used fire to harden wood and stone tools, making them more durable and efficient. This advancement in tool-making was a significant step in human evolution, enabling more complex tasks and improving survival rates. Fire brought people together. It created a focal point for communities, serving as a gathering place where people could share warmth, food, and stories. People gathered around the fire for warmth, light, and social interaction. The communal aspect of fire helped to strengthen social bonds and foster a sense of community. This led to the development of storytelling, language, and culture. The firelight provided a setting for the exchange of knowledge, traditions, and myths, which were passed down through generations. Fire's influence continues to this day. In modern times, we still rely on fire for many aspects of daily life, from cooking and heating to industrial processes, from the internal combustion engine that powers our vehicles to the controlled burns used in agriculture to manage land and promote new growth. Fire remains an integral part of human life. The story of fire is the story of human ingenuity and our enduring quest to harness the power of nature. Fire has shaped our past, continues to influence our present, and will undoubtedly play a role in our future.